Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2002 Nissan T30 X-Trail Ti, stock reference number 5539. This shape runs from the 10th month 2001 through to the 12th month 2005. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, yellow lens type, right corner lamp, right guard appears to have no damage. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Right front door has a 4-inch fold on the rear edge. Right rear door has one small dent. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand tail light. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player with tape deck, instrument cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor and the right hand sun visor.